So proper alignment is something that's incredibly important, really with any workout or stretching. You can actually injure yourself if you don't have proper alignment. So here is a tool that I have found to help with that. This is just like a weight band, right? But I find, one, it adds weight, so it increases, like if you need a little bit more resistance, it gives you that. Two, it helps with keeping proper alignment. So go like this right here, right, with certain yoga poses, right? And my hips, which sometimes this kind of comes up a little too high, makes it harder to do that. So my form is better. Highly recommend it. See? As well as maybe not going too far on a squat, right? Go like this right here.